Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a favicon and Wix at 2026. So what is a favicon? So a favicon is the small icon that appears in the browser tab and bookmarks on browser history on mobile home screens if saved as shortcuts, of course, and it helps your site look professional and brand recognizable. Okay, so at first, you'll need to prepare your favicon, and yeah, you should know that the recommended size is 48px, a minimum 16px, and the supported format is PNG, .jpg, .ico, or echo.svg. Okay, so I should note that the transparent background is the best. Okay, so if you already have a favicon already prepared, so you'll need to go to your site. Okay, and before, you'll need to make sure that you already signed into your account. So to go to your site, you'll need to click on My Site option next to the Wix logo at the top left and select it. Okay, so for example, we'll go with that one. If you wait a few moments, and then just go and click on Design Site, the option that's located on the top right corner of the page. So just click it, and right now we are being forwarded into the Wix website editor. So what I want you to do here is go and click on the settings from here, and then just scroll to the favicon. Okay, click that option, and yeah, so that's the favicon section. So actually, as you can see right here, your favicon, or my current favicon is Wix. So as you can see, your favicon is currently the Wix logo. So I do need to upgrade to a premium plan that includes a custom favicon. So to have your own favicon, you'll need to subscribe to a plan. So just click that option if you haven't already, and yeah, select a plan that fits you, and then just go ahead with it. Okay, after that, you will be able to upload your favicon, and you can adjust it if needed, and then just click apply. After that, publish your site, and it will be set up on your site. So actually, guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.